Just by the click of a mouse, you can go and earn $1, $2, and once they stack up, you can easily earn up to $165 in a single day just by watching short videos and doing simple tasks with these platforms that I'll show to you guys today. I can show you 3 different money-making websites where you sign up and start earning money while sitting on your couch, clicking on your computer mouse, or on your phone. It's so easy, so simple, so make sure to stick around until the end so you won't miss out on anything important.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, the website where you can make money just by making videos is called Feature Points. You, like many others, probably spend a significant amount of time on your smartphone, and it is likely that some of that time is spent downloading apps, maybe mindlessly scrolling through social media. But what if you could be paid for spending time on your gadgets? That would be great, wouldn't it? With Feature Points, you can do just that. To log in or sign up, you can use your Apple, Facebook, or Google account to join, or you can just sign in with your email and just add in your credentials and sign up. Now, Feature Points, as I mentioned, is available for both iOS and Android devices, so this means that almost anyone is able to install the app on their devices. Now, how you can earn money in Feature Points is that you're able to choose from many different surveys, and you can also do the tasks available at the offer wall that they provide. If you want to join Feature Points and earn money, go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and type in Feature Points in the search bar. Once you find the Feature Points app, make sure to click on Install and download it to your device.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Once the app has finished installing, make sure to go to the app itself. From there, you'll be greeted with the options to either sign up or log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and click on sign up and enter your credentials there. You will need an active email address to join. Then you will input your first name and last name, and then you'll have to pick a password for your Feature Points account. If you prefer to, alternatively, you can use your Apple, Facebook, or Google account to join instead of creating an account from scratch. Feature Points offers a myriad of possibilities and methods which enable you to generate income, from taking a survey to doing tasks such as downloading an app. Taking paid surveys is one of the most efficient ways to earn Feature Points. It contains a large number of surveys, so if you join, this is something to think about. After completing the registration process, you can earn 50 points by entering a referral code. Following that, Feature Points will prompt you to select your first reward, which you can change at any time. Then after that, you can begin doing many different tasks ranging from installing apps, watching videos, and completing surveys. Once you've earned enough points on the Feature Points platform, you can redeem the points for a number of different rewards. And the good thing is, there are things for everybody. You can claim rewards such as money via PayPal, Amazon gift cards. You can also claim the points for Starbucks gift cards, iTunes gift cards, and so much more. Just make sure to head over to the Feature Points app and get started in earning cash the easy way. Another app that you can use if you're not into Feature Points, or maybe if you want another app that you can earn from, is AppNana. Now, AppNana is a free app that lets you earn by playing mobile games on your phone. It's available and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The concept is very simple. You download games, play them for a while, and earn points that may later be redeemed for gift cards. If you enjoy playing mobile games, it may be good to download because you would be earning money for something that you would be doing anyway. So how does AppNana work? If you want to earn rewards with AppNana, the process works in these simple steps. The app, as I've mentioned, can be installed on both iOS and Android devices. The website appnana.com can also redirect you if you are not sure you've found the right app. Immediately after registering, you'll receive a welcome bonus of 10,000 points, which are called Nanas in this app. Next is to download new games and play. Some of these mobile gaming apps that pay you to play will reward you with points based on how long you've spent playing. This method appears to be appealing as it essentially converts the time you spend playing games into a good source of passive income. Thankfully, each game on AppNana has its own set of requirements that can be met in order to receive points. Some games demand you to invest time, while others require you to complete a certain goal. so you can choose how long you spend based on the task that you'll choose. To begin playing, go to the Get Nanas area of the App Nana website and select a game from the list. Complete whatever conditions are asked of you. You may also make money by watching videos in App Nana. Unlike most other applications in this category, earning credits isn't limited to playing video games. You may help your nanas by watching videos on the app. These are essentially advertisements, and you can earn points by watching them if you're short on points for a specific reward. Once you've earned enough points, you can start claiming your rewards. Your rewards will appear on top of your rewards page right away. This is the current number of points that you have. The minimum cash out is roughly 30,000 nanas. You can find your reward selections in the rewards section of the app. Gift cards, in-app purchases, and paid mobile games are the three main reward possibilities in App Nana. There are numerous App Nana gift card options, including Amazon, iTunes, and many more. Now for the third and final app, it's Creations Rewards. So Creations Rewards, just like the previous two apps, is a money-earning platform that rewards people in return for the completion of various tasks which are listed on their site. To join the platform and start earning money, you can go to their website at creationrewards.net, and on the homepage you can see the registration panel right here on the right-hand side of the screen. You will have to input your email address and a password. Once you've registered for an account, you can log in and start earning money on the platform. Now, Creation Rewards offers a variety of paid surveys in which you can be compensated for sharing your thoughts. And as a member of Creations Rewards, you will have access to many survey routers, which means that you'll be able to do surveys from various sources while being paid into your Creations Rewards account. If you enjoy doing surveys, this strategy may suit your preferences. You can also watch videos here on Creation Rewards platform and earn money. The Watch and Explore option on Creations Rewards is a section where you can get paid to watch videos or visit websites. This could appear to be quick money at first glance, but the rewards are very modest. However, you can find a very big amount of options here. You can gain a few points with this strategy, so use it if you're low on points for a specific reward that you want. Many various online offers can also be found on the Creations Rewards offer wall section. To begin, you can gain access to several of the most well-known offer walls with which it has associated. For example, you can earn points by joining up for free trials, entering contests, installing apps, and many more. Also included in this section are various special incentives created by Creations Rewards in collaboration with its partners. Simply read the terms and conditions before accepting any offer. If you do, you'll discover some good details over here. Another option to make money with Creations Rewards is to obtain cash rebates when you shop online. Home Depot, Old Navy, Starbucks, Best Buy, Walmart, Petco, and other more popular retailers are available on this platform. For a complete list of stores, go to their official website. It has a lot of information. If you enjoy shopping online, this could be a good method to save money. All of these money-making websites make earning money so much easier. So go ahead and earn money, you guys!
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.